In this video, we will demonstrate how to prevent Bixby from accidentally turning on and disable the Bixby voice app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Let's begin. In our previous video, we showed you how to disable Bixby from your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. However, there are some apps that may still be present even after signing out and deletion of data. One such is the Bixby voice app. Here's how to disable it. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone and navigate to Apps. Now scroll down and tap on Bixby Voice. On the next page, or App Info, tap on Disable at the bottom bar. Tap on Disable App again to confirm the action. Bixby Voice will disable on your phone and no longer activate on its own. Do note that disabling it may cause issues with Samsung services on the device. And that's it. You have disabled the Bixby Voice app. Say goodbye to the Bixby Voice app on your Samsung Galaxy devices. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech, like and share this video if it helped. Also, dive into our other videos, lined up and curated for you.